Okay, now let's come here down here. You can just come here and Control V. And this one, what it says is, it is saying that go to the data frame, and inside it there is a list. Inside the list, you are getting the date. So this date, it is a column, as you can see. It is a column somewhere. Yeah, I don't know where, but yeah, this one is a column. I'll show how they're doing. And this one here, it is a row. So this is a column and a row, column and a row. So we can run. And when you look at here, this date, it is under the first row, although it is writing 0 because programming is start counting from 0. It is this, exactly this, but we want to make it more good, but still you can get this the same result when you say df dot date, and then you get the first row like that. You control enter, get the same thing, right?